Paws and Pulleys.
Once upon a time, in a bustling toy store, there sat a lonely excavator named Rusty. Unlike the other toys, Rusty wasn't covered in fluffy fur or painted in bright, vibrant colors. His appearance was rugged, with dents and scratches from countless adventures. Because of his rough exterior, the other toys were scared of him and kept their distance. Day after day, Rusty watched as the other toys laughed and played together, wishing he could join in their joyous activities. But whenever he approached, they would scatter like frightened mice. Rusty felt a pang of sadness deep within him. He longed for friendship and companionship just like the other toys. One sunny day, as Rusty sat alone in the corner of the store, a little kitten named Cotton wandered in. Cotton's curious eyes immediately caught sight of the excavator, and without hesitation, he bounded over to Rusty.
Hi there. I'm Cotton. What's your name?
The kitten meowed with genuine enthusiasm. Rusty was taken aback by Cotton's bold approach, but mustered a shy response.
I'm Rusty, the excavator.
Cotton's eyes sparkled with excitement.
Wow, Rusty, you're so cool. Can we play together?
Rusty felt a warm sensation filling his gears. No one had ever shown such interest in him before. With a hesitant smile, he nodded.
Sure, Cotton, let's play.
The two newfound friends ventured outside the toy store, their laughter echoing through the yard. Cotton chased his tail while Rusty showed off his digging skills, scooping up mounds of dirt. Their joy was infectious, and slowly other toys began to notice. One by one, the toys curiously approached, realizing that Rusty wasn't scary at all. They saw how he played gently with Cotton, and his rugged appearance became a symbol of strength rather than fear. The teddy bear, the toy truck, and even the little doll all joined in the fun. As the group played together, they learned a valuable lesson. They realized that appearances didn't define a friend's worth. Rusty may not have been as cute or colorful as the other toys, but he had a heart full of kindness and a spirit ready for adventure. They made a pact to always give everyone a chance before judging them solely based on their appearance. They understood that true friendship blossomed when we looked beyond the surface and embraced the uniqueness of others. From that day forward, Rusty, Cotton, and their newfound friends spent every sunny day playing together, creating memories that would last a lifetime. Rusty had finally found his place in a loving circle of friends who saw beyond his rough exterior. As the sun set on their joyful playtime, Rusty felt a sense of belonging he had never experienced before. His heart swelled with gratitude for Cotton, who had brought him out of his lonely shell, and with each passing day, their friendship grew stronger, reminding them all that true friends could be found in the most unexpected places. And so, in the toy store yard, the once lonely excavator and the curious kitten, along with their colorful group of friends, taught the world a lesson in acceptance and friendship. They showed that when we look past appearances and offer a fair judgment, we open our hearts to beautiful connections and create a world filled with love and understanding.